Welcome again to my channel. Today we're making for you Jamaican style pepper pickle, or otherwise called pickled peppers. But it's not just peppers. I'm going to show you some of the stuff we're going to put in this pickle. Garlic, pepper, any type of pepper. These are hot peppers. We have chocho. I know that Spanish people call it chayote. Carrots, and I do have some carrots that I just picked from my garden. Also, we're going to put some of these in there. They're small, so I might put them whole. So, or slice them in two, for fillers. So now we've been doing cutouts of different shapes. And we have all kind of shapes here of, cookie cutters and stuff. I do cake decorating, so a lot of these are for fondant cutouts. You might not have that, but you use whatever you have, or you can use your hand to cut them out. This is one that we use, and this is a cutout. This is a butterfly, and various different kinds. We're also going to put pimento seed in it, and onions. These are purple onions, but if you have yellow onions, other onion, you can use those. I don't have any other onion today. And of course, the dreaded Scotch bonnet pepper. These are purple. It's Jamaican purple Scotch bonnet peppers. See? Got some over here. Jamaican purple. They're really hot. You can smell it up in your nose. It's like almost burning. I had to let my granddaughter leave when, she was helping me, and I let her go because when I was cutting the pepper. And some vinegar. You can use any vinegar, I think. This says distilled white, but it works great. All right, so now my granddaughter Chloe is going to do some cutouts, and she'll show you what she's doing.
I have some of these cutouts. This one's a butterfly. This one's a five-leaf clover, and this one This one is ready now, so we can just take it out. So this is what it should look like. And let's try this one. Well, this one's ready also. But we have these ones, so you just pop it out like that. Let's see about this one. Yep, it's ready. So these are the different, we have big ones and small ones, but it doesn't matter which one you have.
So Chloe's finished doing her cutouts, and we have more here in this container. Lots of pepper. We have onion and all the, we're gonna put some whole pepper. My suggestion to you in putting whole pepper is to bore a hole in the pepper so that the liquid gets into it, or they'll all float to the top. So just maybe bore one or two holes in the old pepper that you put inside of it. Smell the pepper, Chloe? Yeah, I don't want it to catch your nose.
It's fine.
So bore a hole in the pepper so that, you'll see more, when you put the liquid in it, the vinegar, you're going to see all the bubbles coming up. It's filling up with liquid, and it will keep them down in the bottle. So I'm going to start assembling it. So I'm finishing up the pickled peppers. So some things that I should point out. Today I only had green peppers and Jamaican purple Scotch bonnet. So that's what I use. Pimento. But I like yellow. I like a variety of color and a variety of shape. It's nice. It makes the bottle look much more attractive. And so whatever you have, you use it, But a lot of yellow pepper, purple pepper. Some people put sweet peppers in theirs. I don't like sweet pepper, so I don't put it in mine. But that is an option. Sorry, pepper is getting to me. That you could use. These peppers are really hot. So I have filled this bottle already, and I'm waiting. Bubbles. It's rising. The bubbles are coming up, and it has to, you squeeze them down and try to Yeah, some of them are floating, but you try to push it. The peppers that we put the hole through, generally this thing would just poof out if I didn't do that. But the whole peppers that I put, and I did the same thing for this one. So for this one, I'm going to pour I'm going to pour hot vinegar. It's vinegar. I put some more, even though I put pimento seeds in there already in the bottles. I put some pimento seed in here, a little thyme, and a few bay leaves. If you have nothing else but pimento and vinegar, you use that. So I'm going to pour into this one, and I'll take out the bay leaves if any fall in, because I definitely don't want that in there. The bay leaves are just for extra flavor to your vinegar. And of course, I forgot to mention I did put salt in here. So it's the vinegar, salt, bay leaves, pimento seed, and I put thyme. It's optional, the thyme. Salt and the vinegar is what's important. And these are it's gonna bubble now. You're gonna see bubbles coming to the top of it, and I'll leave it and let it soak down a little bit before I close it. Some other things I should mention, I actually grow these peppers. These are my peppers that I grow outside the Jamaican Scotch bonnet. A couple of years ago I went to Jamaica. My sister gave them to me, gave me a few, and I planted them. And planted them, and I have one tree in the back since 2014, I think, that every year it gives me lots of pepper. I give away and so on. No, this is a bottle that I did years ago when I went to Jamaica. I think this is here now 3 years going. It's a bottle of similar pickle that I made. I don't know if I made it or my sisters made it, but you can see it's still going strong, still smelling good. I can still smell everything. The chocho, I see cucumber. And these last for a long time. Now, you can put it to the back of your fridge if you feel, but I keep it on a shelf in the pantry. Sorry about the pepper. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, and it's something I should point out, please wear gloves. I don't wear gloves most of the time. I just wash my hands as best as I can. But anything you're handling like this, you should wear gloves and wash everything, like the cutting board and the utensils, so as thoroughly as you can.